Yes, hello everyone. Welcome to this wonderful tutorial. So, guys, this is this is Simon Peter. Today is the 6th of April. As we can see here, today is the 6th of April. And guys, today I'm going to be showing you guys some things about the Roy Club. So, uh, Roy Club is a joint paramining platform where one is able to make an investment online and be able to get a good profit return on their investment. And right now, even as we speak, our website has all the details that you need to understand about Roy Club, and we can see that the Roy Club offers for us a 15 to 20% per month. No risks of losing funds. This is a very great opportunity for guys out there to invest. Yeah, so it is something that is so good. It's something that is so beneficial. So let's go straight to our video today. I'm going to be showing you guys how to add tags to your YouTube videos on your channel. So the thing is that every time you upload a video on your YouTube channel, uh, tags help your video to get searched within the YouTube database. So if you don't attach tags onto your YouTube video, then that means that even during searches, your video cannot pop up on any of the searches. So meaning your videos will not basically get likes or views from the crowd out there. So let's say you release your video, and it's about Roy Club. It's about investment, it's about making money online. Then definitely you have to put tags onto that video, which when so that when someone is searching, when someone like types Roy Club video, your video on your channel will be able to pop up very instantly because of what? Because of the tags that you put. But if you don't put tags, then when someone types something like Roy Club video or Roy Club or Roy Bounty or making money online, then your video cannot pop up because it will search, it will check on your video, and it will find no tags, and it will go to the next video like that. So meaning your video will be skipped in all the YouTube searches. Okay. So to boost your views, to boost your video searchability, we need to input these tags. Now, in order to make these tags always there on every video that you upload without you necessarily keeping to always add the tags, we need to set them into our custom settings of our YouTube channel, and that is what we are going to be doing today. Okay, so I'm going to be showing you guys basically how to do that. Okay, so we are now on our YouTube page here. So what you'll have to do, you'll have to click on this user icon of your logo here. All right, and then what we're going to do, we're going to click on our YouTube Studio. Okay, so let YouTube Studio pop up. Okay, yeah, all right, cool. So from here, you might not see it well, but there is, let me just expand it so that you can see it well. All right, cool. Now there is what we call settings. All right, so we shall be going to settings in order to be able to set our hashtags. I'm sorry, not our tags, our video tags. Okay, that will help our videos to be searched whenever certain keywords users enter when they're on YouTube searching for content. All right. So what we're going to do, we're going to click on upload defaults. Just as the word says, these are defaults, meaning that whenever I upload my YouTube video, these are the defaults that will come with the YouTube video. Okay, so you could basically add like if you want all your videos to have like a particular but a particular title and probably a particular description, you do that from there. All right. So this is where we're going to add the tags from. So enter comma separated values. Okay, so I have my Word document that I have set up here with some of the tags that I'm going to use for all the videos that I'm going to be like using within my YouTube channel. Okay, so meaning every video that I upload, it will be having these tags attached to all those videos. So when you go on your YouTube and you type Roy Bounty, definitely on that list somewhere my video will pop up. Okay, when you type Africa Dekni somewhere, my video will pop up somewhere. So that is the importance of these tags. Okay, so these are, I set them up and I put commas after every tag. All right, so I'm just going to pick this up and go back to our channel here. Okay, yes, and then we can just paste them right here. All right, cool. So as we can see, they have all been placed. So we have a maximum of about 500 characters, and right now we've just basically written about 240. Okay, so basically you could add other tags. Let's say like make money, like make money online, then I put a comma. All right, just that is how we do them. All right, so these tags will help our videos come up on searches of people. So basically, when you want people to view your videos in a certain way and you put in keywords, it's like keywords. All right, so these are like the keywords that when someone is searching, they will come and pick up your video if it has the keywords. All right, so this is very important for all of us. So from here we just click save and voila, you are done. All right, so guys, I just want to thank you guys so much. So that has been our video of how to set up tags on our YouTube channel, so that whenever we upload any video, those tags are automatically attached to those videos. Otherwise, guys, I want to thank you so much. This is Simon Peter, Roy Club member, proud member of the Roy Bounty program. And I wish you guys a nice time. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And yeah, God bless you so much.